So there's a lot of things that you should know before Q4 arrives. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon seller. On my channel, I share tips that help with my own Amazon business so they could help others out as well. I also like to share any videos related to the stock market, the economy, anything to do with making money online. I like to share it in my videos. So if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit the bell icon so you could stay updated with all of my new videos that I upload every week. Thank you for that. And just for doing that, I'm doing a giveaway every month where I am giving away my FBA Mastermind course, which is a step-by-step course which shows you everything that you need to know if you want to start selling on Amazon. And if you already have my course, it's going to be a $100 prize via Venmo or PayPal. So all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below and comment on my other videos, and you have a chance to win every month. Alright, so let's get into this video. So Q4 is coming up quick. It's about a month away from when I'm filming this video, so there's a lot of things that you should know before Q4 arrives. It's best to have everything prepared because you don't want to get caught off guard.
She wasn't ready.
Q4 is the busiest season of the year. It has the most sales, the most volume, the most traffic. And this year, like I said in my other video, it's going to be different because of COVID-19. So there's a lot to prepare for, and I'm going to go over it right now.
Are you ready for it?
So one thing that is different than all of the other years, I covered this in my other video about Q4, is they are limiting how much inventory you could send into Amazon on a lot of the new sellers or people that have a score below 500 on your inventory performance index. So to get around this, all you have to do is send the inventory to your home or send it to a 3PL if you don't live in the US. But basically you want to have that inventory ready to send into Amazon as you run low on stock, so it doesn't take forever from China to Amazon, and it's a lot cheaper if you ship it from your home directly to Amazon. The rates are really low. I've been doing that. So that is one thing to look out for. Also make sure you have enough inventory because during Q4, that's when the most sales come in for most of the products. So make sure you are ready to be stocked up so you have enough inventory for all of those seasonal sales. Now, another thing to look out for is PPC. So during Christmas time in Q4, the bids on a lot of the keywords are going to get jacked up by a lot depending on the keywords. So you have to be prepared to increase your bids. I'm actually running a new tool by Helium 10 called Ads, and it comes with the Diamond member plan. You can get a discount code down below, but it basically automates your PPC. I'm going to do a video on that, but it's going to help eliminate a lot of the bad keywords and automate those and put them in my negative targeting section. And it does a lot more than that, but I'll show you that in a future video. But be on top of your PPC campaigns. Make sure you're optimizing those campaigns. If you're not getting any clicks, that is because your bids are way too low. And during this Q4, a lot of the sellers will increase their bids. So in order to compete, you're going to have to increase your bids as well. And then also you can add a lot of new keywords when it comes to PPC. So since it's around Christmas time, you could add keywords like men's gifts for Christmas or Christmas ideas for men, Christmas ideas for women. Depending on the product, you want to target those seasonal keywords. They're going to be very competitive. The bids are going to be really high, but they do get a lot of sales. So keep that in mind. You can do a lot of the long tail Christmas keywords, and you want to add those in there because during these times, people are searching for those keywords where other parts of the year they are not typing in those certain keywords. So make sure to add those seasonal keywords regarding your product, and that should get you more sales. Now, another thing to look out for is actually after Q4, and it's the Chinese New Year. Now, I'll put the date right here. China goes on vacation for a couple of weeks, and you have to place your order way in advance because they are very busy during this season. So start to plan it out around December and then talk to your supplier to see when the cutoff date is to get your order out before they go on vacation, because you don't want to be stuck without any stock for a couple weeks while they're on vacation. There's nothing you could do. You want to prepare for that and get all of your inventory shipped to your home or shipped to Amazon before they leave on break, and then you will be ready and in stock for all of those sales during that quarter. So that is it for this video. I hope you found these tips helpful. Last year I wasn't as prepared as I should have been, and I could have done better. So hopefully these tips will help you out for this Q4. Again, this year it's going to be completely different because of COVID-19, so traffic should be way up. So get ready for that. I hope we don't have too many limits with Amazon. Hopefully Amazon can handle all the new traffic. But that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and hit the bell icon to win my course. Also, you could join my free Amazon FBA community down below, and you could check out all the discount codes for Helium 10 right down below. Alright, that is it. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.